In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do MLA format on Google Docs. By the end, you'll have a clean, properly formatted document with the right font, spacing, margins, header, and a works cited page all set to MLA guidelines. Start by opening Google Docs and creating a blank document. With the document open, set the font and size. At the top toolbar, choose Times New Roman and set the size to 12. This is the standard MLA typeface and size, and using it from the start keeps everything consistent. Next, set your line spacing to double. Go to Format, choose Line and Paragraph Spacing, and select Double. MLA requires the entire paper to be double-spaced, including the heading, title, paragraphs, and works cited entries, so this one setting handles it all. Now check your margins. Go to File, then Page Setup, and make sure the top, bottom, left, and right margins are all set to 1 inch. Google Docs usually defaults to 1 inch, but it's always good to confirm, so your text isn't squeezed or stretched. Add the MLA-style header with your last name and the page number. Double-click at the very top of the page to open the header area. Click Write a Line, type your last name, press the spacebar once, then go to Insert and choose Page Numbers. Pick the option that places page numbers in the top right corner. This will automatically number every page with your last name followed by the page number. Create the MLA heading on the first page, aligned to the left. Type your name, press Enter, then your instructor's name, Enter, your course name, Enter, and the date in day, month, year format like 15 May 2026. Press Enter after each line. Press Enter once more and center the text to add your title. Type your paper's title and keep it plain. No bold, underline, or italics. After typing the title, press Enter and switch back to left alignment to begin your paragraphs. Set a first line indent so each new paragraph starts ½ inch in. Go to Format, then Align and Indent, choose Indentation Options, set Special Indent to first line, and make it 0.5 inches. This saves you from pressing Tab manually each time. When you're ready for the Works Cited page, insert a new page by going to Insert, Break, then Page Break. Type Works Cited and center it. For your entries, left align the text and apply a hanging indent. Highlight the citations, go to Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, set Special Indent to Hanging, and choose 0.5 inches. If you want to jumpstart, open the template gallery in Google Docs, scroll to Education, and select Report MLA. It sets most formatting for you, but still review the font, spacing, margins, heading, and header so everything matches your assignment.